Alright guys, so I think it's a good time to kind of chat about a couple of little changes since the last time I posted up a video. So what I was going to actually talk into was after the Stage 2 Pro Tune. So the Pro Tune is right now done by Ambot Tuning out of Florida. So what you do on these is you email your data logs, which I'm sure a lot of the other guys online have covered. So this is actually on the 7th revision now, and we're just actually cruising to one of my customers to actually speak about something. So I'm actually waiting to actually do another install, which is the plugs. So the plugs right now haven't been changed ever. So as you guys, I don't know if you guys can see on there, but it's about 48,000 miles on this car. And just when I started doing the Stage 2 upgrades, doing these wide open throttle runs, all of a sudden I started getting my dam to kind of come down sometimes, and also weird feedback knock and fine knock learning values, pretty down low in the RPMs and just cruising around town. Never really under wide open throttle. So it leads me to believe that there's probably some sort of a spark issue and things like that. So we'll be taking care of the spark plugs and then kind of continuing to wrap up that Pro Tune by Ambot Tuning. So we'll go a little cruise. Kill himself. Holy shit. Crazy guy. Yep. WRX brakes suck. Alright guys, so we are back from Mexico, testing out, making sure there's no exhaust leaks after that donut gasket installation earlier. Yeah, car runs phenomenal. It is good, and I just kind of wanted to touch subjects on that guy earlier. It's cool. I mean, I'm all for spirited driving. That's why I'm out in Mexico. But that guy was he was a stock Mercedes CLA 250. It's going all out, like downhill, crossing the double lanes, and on top of that, I think his brakes were overheating because he was stopped at the bottom of the hill and kind of like outside the car, and he was almost to the point where he almost crashed into me. So I think his brakes were fading so bad he couldn't even stop. So I just wanted to make sure that guy, if he's out here, make sure he's okay. But I don't condone provoking a street race. I mean, I wasn't trying to race him or anything like that. I was out there just testing that exhaust donut gasket to make sure it wasn't leaking. Just wanted to let you guys know that the whole testing went great. You guys definitely, again, check out Ambot Tuning. That guy is working some magic on the EFI. So I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thank you.